Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Form 4 Chapter 10 Index Numbers. So this is a chapter that you have to master because it will come out in paper 2 section C and you need these 10 marks for you to do well in exam. Okay, so let's start. So this chapter basically can be separated into two parts. The first part will be index number. This is a 10.1 and also in 10.2 you are going to talk about composite index. And what is the relationship between 10.1 and 10.2? We connect everything, these two, by using weightage. Okay, so let's see 10.1. Index numbers. Index numbers. What is index number? Index number is basically something like percentage, but we write it out without using the percentage symbol. It can be the index for a quantity, it can be index of a price, and so on. For example, we can see the increment or decrement of the price of something, or the number of accidents, or your results, and so on. Okay, so basically, you will have this index number. We use symbol I, big I. I will be equals to Q1 over Q0 multiplied by 100. Remember, just now I said it's like something like percentage, but we never write the percentage sign. Okay, so what is our Q0 and Q1? Where our Q0 will be equals to the price or a quantity at the base here. And Q1 will be the same. It will be the price or the quantity at a particular year. So it means if you want to compare what's the difference between the price of an egg in 2022 and 2023. So we will calculate the price of the egg in 2023 over the price of the egg in 2022. Then we multiply by everything by 100. This is what we call index number. Okay, and yeah, just now I mentioned it will be increase or decrease, right? So when we write index number, so let's say something is increased by 5%. So the index number I will be equals to 105 because the base will be 100. So increase by 5%, so we plus 5. And of course, decrease by 5%. Then from 100, we minus 5, our I will be equals to 95. Okay? And of course, we have something that is known as, what about when the price of something remains unchanged? Remains unchanged, then we will write it is equals to 100%. The I will be equals to 100. No change. From 100, it will keep it 100 for the index number. Okay? So again, before we proceed to our first example today, this is what you should know. And this means the year. You will have a clearer understanding when we look at our example. Let's see next page. Example 1. I actually modified this question a little bit from your Form 4 KSSM Mathematics, Additional Mathematics textbook. Let's see this. Malaysia Automotive Association, MAA, reported that the total number of registered vehicles in the year 2020 was 48,543. Whereas the total registered commercial vehicles in the year 2021 was 56,248. So the information that you have is in 2020, the number of vehicles will be 48543, and in 2021, the number will be 56248. Calculate the index number of registered commercial vehicles in the year 2021 based on the year 2020. This is the important part. Index number in the year 2021 based on the year 2020, the orange color highlighted part. Okay, so our solution will be like this. Index number, we are required to calculate the index number in the year 2021 based on the year 2020. So we will equals to the number in 2021, the number of vehicles in 2021 over the number of vehicles in 2020, then we multiply by 100. Okay, so 来看多一次。The number in 2021 will be 56248, 56,248. Over the number of vehicles in 2020 will be 48,543. And we multiply by 100. And you will get your answer. $116. This is the first part of the question. So this 116 actually means that the number of vehicles has been increased by 16%. Okay, from 100 to 116, the percentage is actually increased by 16%. So in the second part of this question, interpret the index number of them. So you have to explain the number of registered commercial vehicles increased by 16% from the year 2020 to the year 2021. This is our first example today. Next, let's proceed to example 2. The difference between example 1 and example 2 is we are still playing with this, but just that because this is maths, you might need to find either this or this or this, either one. You will be given two information and you need to find the missing part. Okay, so this one we upgrade a little bit. Example 2. In the year 2022, the number of accident cases in town A was 250. Given that the index number of accident cases in the year 2023, index number of accident cases in the year 2023 based on the year 2022 is 106. So 这一边 we can write this out. I index number in 2023 based on 2022 is equals to 106. Find the number of accident cases in town A in the year 2023. We are required to find, every time you have to find out, you have to be very clear of what the question wants. They ask you, what is the number in 2023? Okay, so 在这边 you know that they want to know this, Q2023. The number of accidents in 2022 is 250. Multiply by 100, this is the formula, equals to 106. So the number in 2023 will be equals to 106. Multiply by 100, when we move to another side, it will become divided by 100. After that, multiply by 250. And we will get the answer of 265. It means there are 265 accident cases in town A in the year 2023. So this is the first part that we have to know. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to talk about composite index.